today is today. Oh my god, today is the day, and I get my apartment today. I'm currently waiting for 9 o'clock. So I originally thought that the leasing center opened up at 7. So I scheduled my internet to come at 9, and then I found out that the leasing center actually opens up at 9. So I feel really bad because they're gonna either cancel on me or they're gonna wait like 15-20 minutes for me to get my stuff together. But yeah, other than that, I get my apartment today, and I'm real excited. Like, you have no idea. I've been living with people since I joined the military, so for 4 years I've been having roommates non-stop, and I just really want my own spot. It's gonna be nice, and I'm just so excited. And then like this last couple of months, I've been rooming with 3 other girls, and then at another point it was six or seven other girls. Not 6 or 7, it would be 5 or 6 other girls. So yeah, I am most definitely ready for this. This is so exciting. I will see you guys in a bit. So we are in the apartment. If y'all want an apartment tour, then like this video and stay tuned. So I have Wi-Fi now. I'm a little ratchet still. That's, you know. I have Wi-Fi now. Now I'm just about to, I still have to go to work today. So I am about to go get my stuff out of Ashley's place. Bring it here, get all my stuff out my trunk, put it in here, since I kind of did an empty apartment tour. And then I'm also going to go to my storage because I left my keys. Well, I dropped my keys. So I'm gonna go and have them cut off my lock, buy a new lock, find my wallet as well, because I just went to Dollar General and I forgot my wallet. And then I am going to go ahead and get my air mattress, my badge, my uniform, and it's like a few other things. All right, y'all. So you can tell I'm hot, disgusted. A little wrap then definitely came loose, but it's okay. So I just got back in. That's what she's like. Where's the other light? Oh, my bra. I need to change my bra. All right, so I just got back in, and I'm tired. So after the AT&T guy left, I took out my stuff in my trunk, which is most of the stuff up here. Like right here, I ordered before I got home. I shipped it to my parents' house. They put it in my trunk, and then I got my car, I got my stuff. So all of this I ordered beforehand. Those two, this, my suitcase was at my friend's house because that's what I traveled home with from my deployment, and then I got that for one of my friends at the airport. And then these boxes right here, and then these two came from my storage, which is not much. My car, I have a little car, so I couldn't fit that much in there, but it was what I needed. I was mostly focused on kitchen stuff, uniform. I'm hoping my uniform is actually in this box. It's not labeled. Before I put any of this stuff up, I do want to wipe down everything. I want to clean out the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave. I'm not going to wipe that down. I'm actually going to clean that, and then I also want to clean the bathroom before I even take a piss on the toilet. Like, I need to do that. And then by that time, my friend should be off from work, and then gonna go to LA Crawfish to eat because I didn't eat all day, and since I'm going on that side, I'm talking all fast. Since I'm already going on that side, I just want to eat that because this is technically my last day of eating unhealthy since I have my apartment now. And then after that, well, go back to the storage, go to LA Crawfish, and then unload one last time. And then after that, I'll just wait until the movers come, and if I need something, I can just go run to the storage unit and get it, put it in my car, and just keep doing it like that until Friday. So yeah, I feel like I just dumped a lot of information on you guys. I apologize. I'm kind of excited. Now it has set in that this is my first apartment. This is my apartment. And I'm pretty freaking excited. I just need a couch. I just need a couch. Like, this is just, if I don't get anything else, I need a couch. So one last thing before I cut this camera off, because I do need to get some stuff done while I can. I'm just about to get rid of all these boxes and put all this stuff up. Well, not up, but just get rid of the boxes. Actually, I probably should go run to the dollar store and clean first. That's exactly what I should do before I start doing this. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, Lord. Uh-oh. I just wanted to air out a little bit. I would open the door, but ooh, child, I'm about to break the stuff. So I am done cleaning out or wiping out all of the cabinets and stuff. Excuse my, you know, rashness. So I'm done with the bathroom. I cleaned off my counter, my toilet, my tub and stuff. So I cleaned out all of that. And I started putting stuff away a little bit, not really. You know, it looks like I made no progress, but I promise I did. That's all of the boxes. I still have to put that away. And yeah. I put a few things in place. The only thing I really have organized is not really is this. But yeah, I just need some wine glasses. Let me know what y'all think. I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here actually, because I'm going to LA Crawfish today. I'm about to tear it up. Oh my God, and I'm about to organize this spot. Let me turn off these lights because your girl is tripping. I'm about to put my military stuff up on here and just try to do something with the closet. And I'm about to wash that. Wash some stuff in my suitcase as well. What else am I about to do? Put that up. I'm about to wash clothes. I'm about to put the Victoria's Secret up on the shelf just so I can get rid of the boxes. I'm literally about to go through all these boxes because I want them gone. Okay, so I'm literally just about to go through all of the boxes because I do want them gone. So I'm putting everything up on the shelf, but I don't want, I'm tossing. And yeah, your girl, listen, I've been in the military for too long. I've been living place to place for too long. Not saying like I was homeless or some shit, but it's just like I never made a place my home. So I am eager to make this place my home. So yeah, this is it for this vlog. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell me what you like about this. I think I'm gonna call it, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but it's gonna be like a moving in series. But let me know if you like it or not, and make sure y'all subscribe, like this video, comment, share, and stay tuned for my next video, you know. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.